Okay, good day. Hope everybody's having a fantastic morning. So it's Alexi, and I'm about to give you your weekly review or weekly analysis on the market. Today being Monday, the market is a little bit slow, but we can find something much good out of it. So let's go right into the chart and let's start the analysis. So today basically, today I said this last week that we are waiting for price to sweep some liquidity zones and then we'll see where we are going. So we are on the daily time frame now, and currently price has swept the swing high that was marked last week, which is this swing high. This swing high, price actually worked it out. It didn't close above it, which is kind of initiating that we might go in a little, not a little, we might go down for some time before maybe an uptrend or a continuing downtrend. So let's see what the rest of the time frame tells us. So currently we're moving to the 1 hour time frame. That is the time frame that I personally do my analysis. So the daily time frame is more of like a bigger picture. It gives me a bigger picture of the market. Okay, so on the hourly time frame, we can see the price has closed right beneath some key swing lows, which initiates that we are in a downtrend. I know it's insane, which initiates that we might be continuing a downtrend here. I'm not saying today we are going for a force sell, but it can happen that it would go short for some time and then right before landing section close to New York opening, around that time price starts going up. It can happen like that, but you let's see and wait and see what would happen. So I'm just going to mark my key levels, the previous and the present ones. So you can see this liquidity here has been taken out and closed above, which initiates maybe a short-term downtrend. So, and currently I'll be marking my Asian high and Asian low. Wow, price is really dipping. I told you, price is really dipping. I'm actually waiting for my confirmation to get triggered and then I might enter. The price is really dipping. So let's get rid of this one. Okay, so I've marked my Asian high and Asian low, and let's see what the 15 minutes also tells us. Wow. Okay, so in the 15-minute time frame, price has actually swept Asian high. Yeah, price swept Asian high, which in every SMC trader, ICT trader in this world, whenever this thing happens, they kind of believe we are heading down, like we are going down to like the Asian low. So currently, I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for my confirmation to get triggered, and then I've targeted the Asian low, and then I would see if price will hit the Asian low. But I'm betting on that price might go down for some time within this week and then maybe go back on or not go back, just continue the downtrend. So on the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that price has swept the Asian high, and we can see that currency price is heading down. Price is heading down. Price is heading down, and things can shake up a bit. Maybe it's an uptrend. Who knows? But if it were to be an uptrend, or if it would go up, I would be expecting price to sweep this level here or this level. I would expect price to sweep either one of these levels, this or this. And after sweeping it to confirm that it's still going up, I would wait for a break of structure to the upside, a break of structure, a valid break of structure to the upside, and then maybe you go on the 5 minutes or 1 minute and look for a confirmation within that break of structure to the upside and take your trade. Yeah. But today, personally, I'm vetting for a sale, but it's not sure yet. So I wouldn't buy now or sell now either. Currently, I'm in waiting mode. So now let's move to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minute time frame, you can see here I've already played a fair value gap. I've already played the fair value gap with my alarm and everything, waiting for price to get traded. The reason why I'm entering this trade is to me, in most cases, I always say the Asian section tells a story. So basically, in a downtrend, if the Asian section is in an uptrend, I'm expecting the London section open and then price start dipping. In an uptrend, if Asian section is in the downtrend, the minute London section opens, I'm expecting a confirmation and price starts shooting up. That's why I'm in this trade. Is Yeah, that's why I'm in this trade. But on a normal day, I wait for liquidity to be swept, break of structure, and confirmation. But this is more of like A plus setup. So let's see. Price is really dependent. It's really dependent. Okay. Or better still, I can still take a confirmation for the from the 15-minute time frame, but the fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame is not clearly filled. It's not clearly done. If this immediate candle closes and maybe if it closes, there's a fair value gap, mark the fair value gap and take that fair value gap trade. I'm promising you, price is going to go down. Basically, it's going to go down. I've seen this like 1,000 times play out, so I know what I'm talking about. Price is really going to go down. So I guess this is today's analysis. Hope you enjoyed it and subscribe for more details. This is Lex. Bye.